Good day, guys. This is another update from this AdSense Arbitrage. I'm going to reload this also. As you can see, this is actually going pretty well. So far today, we've made over 122 USD, and this month so far we have over 430 USD. So this is just me releasing updates. So I'm going to refresh it once more. So it is what it is. Hopefully by this month I plan to target up to 3,000 USD. So and consecutively by next month we go higher. By next month I schedule or I plan to make at least 10,000 USD with this same account. So you can contact me to get my course. It's actually very cheap. My course is cheap and you will like it, and it's going to already convert well for you. So for the meantime, you can subscribe to this channel and contact me to get my course. Thank you.